here! What happened?
Don't move him.
Don't move. We're here to help.
Mom, I'm sorry.
It's okay, sweetie. We're here.
How did this happen?
Wow. Mom, can I go play soccer?
Okay, but be back for dinner.
Not now, Noah. You have homework first.
But Mom, my friends are playing.
Homework first, then you can play.
Your mom is right, Noah.
Finish your homework first. Then have fun.
That's not fair.
Rules keep you safe, Noah.
See you later, everyone.
Be good, Noah.
I want to play. Too much homework. I wish I was there.
Maybe.
Now is my chance. Now is my chance.
F1CC668.
I'll be quick! Noah! Come play with us! This is fun! Nice pass, Noah! Mom, where is Noah?
He is doing homework.
I'm open! Noah? Go get it, Noah! Mom, Noah isn't here.
What do you mean?
Noah, are you okay? My leg hurts. It's Noah!
Noah!
Mom, help me.
Noah!
I'm here, Noah.
Stay still, Noah.
Ethan, answer. Please answer.
Easy, Noah. We're checking your ankle.
Noah is hurt.
I'm coming now. We need to move him carefully.
Mom?
Everything will be okay.
Please be okay, Noah.
I'm scared, Mom.
I'm here with you.
Mom.
We need an X-ray.
Will Noah be okay?
Where is Noah?
They are examining him now.
He's strong. He'll be okay. I have the results. Noah has a broken leg, but he will recover.
Thank goodness.
Almost finished.
I'm sorry, Mom.
I was worried about you.
How are you feeling? You must listen to Mom.
I understand now.
You can go home today.